This is Matt, and this is a video on how to download Skype. So a few different ways to download Skype. I'll include all of these URLs as links in the video description just below this video. So first one, we have the link right here for the Apple App Store. So you can download this on the iPhone, iPad, Mac, so on and so forth. If you don't already have it, you can get it here in the App Store. The second one we've got right here is Google Play Store, so you can install it directly from here. The URL is there. I'll include that, of course, in the video description, and you can check out some information here. There's reviews and such there. You can install using this green button if you prefer to use the Google Play Store. If you want to get it on Microsoft, the Microsoft Store, Skype for Business on the Mac, it will identify your operating system. You just click on this download button right here, and you can see that it goes flying up there to show that it has in fact downloaded. That's kind of the universal symbol on the Mac to show that something's downloaded. Depending on your browser, if you download directly from here in the Microsoft Store, depending on your browser location, your browser downloads location, you'll find the installer from there. That's the easy bit. You just install from there. Now, I'm on Google Chrome, so my downloads go directly to my downloads folder. Your downloads location might be different, but hopefully you found this video on how to download Skype. We've given you a few different options here to cover all bases. We've got the URLs, I should say, underneath this video in the video descriptions. We've done the Apple App Store, we've done the Google Play Store, and also we've shown you the Microsoft version as well. Hopefully you found this video useful. If you have, drop this video a like, it really helps, and subscribe to the channel for more videos just like this.